We're out here in Vancouver right now. Uh, this is Serenade of the Seas. We got a stateroom. It's pretty nice. You can see a little TV here, little window over there, little balcony. Ocean view, by the way. Here, I'm opening it. Or I'm closing it actually, this way. Check out the view. Little birds, pretty nice. I think there's 4 ships out here today. We're one of them. Beautiful, beautiful. And so, Jaden, is it nice?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool?
Yeah.
Alright. Stars are recording. And